Okay, I know it was very quick tip and very small one, but I remember that the first time I used my tea bag, I had a lot of problems opening and closing my Brompton because it's hard to fit here. Look, hard to get your hands here, especially if it's heavy. Not the case today, but when you travel, it's very heavy. So I hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do, because those quick tips come whenever I remember there's something that I would like to share with you. And it will be a very nice video in this Saturday. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.